get caught in the rain with nowhere to run. When you're distraught and in pain without anyone, we keep crying out to be saved, but nobody comes, and you feel so far away. You just can't find your way home. You can get